Hi, I'm Bryant and I'm the plant engineer at AW Fraser. I've been at AW Fraser for 9 years. So with my role, I work closely with the maintenance department, which gets me involved with all the areas of the factory, everything from the scrap bay to the foundry and the extrusion bay. I work on basically every machine in the plant. So part of my technical advice is troubleshooting any problems we might have, be it electrical, hydraulic, pneumatic. We get into all sorts around here. Mainly I focus on the furnaces. They're a big one for me. They're fairly complicated electrically and mechanically, so it's good to get really deep in those. The hardest part of my job is organising everything with every department. Obviously we run 24/7, so any issues that happen overnight, you sort of pick those up first thing in the morning and try and piece it all back together. My favourite thing about working here is just the people I get to work with, be it the production staff out in the foundry or in the scrap bay and extrusion bay, department managers, my team in maintenance. They're all awesome people.